the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, and this is your 3 add-on kits for December. So we have a cardstock, a pattern paper, and an embellishment add-on to go with your Flavors of the Month kit. These are perfect to make your kit even bigger and have it to go even further to create more projects. You can choose one or all 3. So let's go through and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons available for your Flavors of the Month. Our first add-on is Cardstock. This is perfect if you love cardstock backgrounds, matting your photos, doing some digital die cutting, all kinds of possibilities with your cardstock. So there are 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So for Cardabella Santa's Workshop, you're going to get 1 sheet of African Daisy and 2 sheets of patina. For your Echo Park Celebrate Christmas, you're going to get 1 sheet of craft cardstock and 2 sheets of Park Pine. For your Pebbles, you're going to get 1 sheet of Piglet and 2 sheets of Classic Red. And for your Simple Stories Simple Vintage Christmas, you're going to get a sheet of pomegranate and 2 sheets of ivy. So you can see these are a perfect match to the paper that's in each one of these 4 collections. So be sure to check out the cardstock add-on for your Flavors of the Month kit. Next we have the pattern paper add-on. And if you fell in love with all the collections in your Flavors of the Month, then you're definitely going to add this on. It is so beautiful. So we'll start with Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage Christmas. We have this sheet called 'Tis the Season, and it's all of these old documents, the postcards and little tickets, all jumbled together. And then the back is this beautiful holly and the berries, and it has text running out the background of it as well. This one called Ho 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 is Santa and then this big Merry Christmas. So this is all ready for just a photo and a story on this page. You wouldn't have to put anything else with this paper. It is just stunning. There's also this little music sheet back here along with some other text. The back is Christmas definitions, Christmas Day. It's kind of like a dictionary text of all Christmas words on a red background. Pebbles Cozy and Bright. We have this cut apart, and this is called Give Joy. So it has all of these tags. So this is perfect if you want to make some quick tags for your Christmas gifts this year. This is a perfect sheet to do that. It could also be used for embellishment on your pages. The back side is a red gingham and the full branding strip of Ho Ho Ho. This one called Winter Green has all of the greenery on a green background, and the back is a little like a turkey stitch with a 2-toned green. The branding strip are these candy canes making a heart. Then Echo Park Celebrate Christmas have all of these beautiful ornaments on the craft background, and the back is a green snowflake on white. This one's called Deck the Halls. And then we have this one that's all the snowflakes and the red and the green and the navy and white on a craft. And the back is Christmas trees done in white on a green background. And this one's called Cold Outside. Then from Cardabella Santa's Workshop, we have the North Pole. This is so cute. You could do this just with a little story on here without even any photos if you don't have a photo and you want to tell a story from your childhood or something. You could also put in just a little photo somewhere and some journaling, and this page would be done as well. So cute. The background is this thin vertical stripe in the red and the green. This one's called North Pole. This one with the trees and the snow landscape, and the back is a blue snowscape scene, and this one's called Oh Christmas Tree. So more gorgeous paper. I don't know how you could resist these 4 Christmas collections. So that's another look at your patterned paper add-on for your Flavors of the Month. Next we have the embellishment add-on. And hold on to your Christmas socks because it is beautiful and stunning. So much fun in this month's embellishment add-on. So for Cartabella Santa's Workshop, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So there's 3 borders, large words and banners so that you could use those as titles or subtitles, and the large icons, just Santa Claus in this vintage antique look and Rudolph with his red nose. This is just so cute. And the little North Pole, greetings from the North Pole, that would be cute just on a Christmas card just by itself, and it could be done. For Echo Park Celebrate Christmas, you're going to get the chipboard phrases. So these are lots of little words and little subtitles that you could use or titles on your pages. Adorable. From the Pebbles Cozy and Bright, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera, so it's going to vary, but this is what was in my kit, and you can see some of this has glitter. So Silent Night and the glitter, and that adorable little reindeer snowman again, and the glitter on him. You'll also receive a roll of washi. So this is going to vary as well, but this is the one that I got, was just the candy canes all in a row. Super cute. And then from Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage Christmas Collection, you're going to get this sticker sheet that's all of these borders. And then there's also some small little clusters of holly leaves that you could tuck in, and these little labels. But these are absolutely gorgeous. Would make embellishing your pages so quick and easy. Just have a photo tuck up underneath one of those borders, and you would have your embellishment done on a page. So simply beautiful and so much fun waiting to be had this December. So one more look at all 3 of your add-on kits that are available to go with your flavors of the month. Be sure to come to the ScrapRoom store and check out all the other kits available. And then come over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook group to see what the design team and your fellow subscribers are creating with their kits this month, and join in on some of the challenges. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be notified when new videos are released. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits. And from everyone here at the ScrapRoom, we wish you a very Merry Christmas.